My name is Jessica Wanamaker, and I am the Vice President of Business Development and Strategic Marketing here at Excellos. Excellos is a unique, fit-for-purpose CDMO that's based in San Diego and is a spin-out of the San Diego Blood Bank. Since 2012, we've actually been working with donor material to utilize that on the behalf of our partners to do full cell therapy manufacturing. So we have the capability of doing everything from donor to dose, and we work with our partners to be able to enable them for everything from early stage research and development all the way through to full commercial manufacturing. We are very happy to be here at Mesa again year after year because this is one of the best opportunities for partnership and relationship building and to reconnect with clients, both new and potential, and those that we've been working with for years. And so far, this has been an amazing event. We're grateful that the weather is about 20 degrees cooler than it was last year, and are always appreciative of the fact that it's such a well-organized event and so many of our industry partners are here to visit with us.